Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. As you may know by now, Jeff Bezos and Amazon are taking over the world, and because of that, in the business that they are doing, there are so many different possibilities to be making money from home. In this video, we are gonna break down all of them. The lowest risk, but also the lowest reward, it's becoming a customer service associate. You can go to amazon.jobs and you can literally apply to any job. Right now they have 63 open jobs available. And you can literally go ahead and work as an Amazon customer service rep, where they're literally in over 40 countries all around the world. Now this is really good, because not only can you understand what's Amazon all about, it should be a stable job. Amazon is not going anywhere, and if anything, they need more customer service reps. They get pretty much all the customers online. I did the research online, and of all $100 spent online, $50 go to Amazon. So that's pretty much 50% of internet. Like, how insane is that? Now the second thing to make money online in Amazon, it's Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is more or less like the inbox dollars, survey, junkie stuff, where essentially you get paid by doing literally small tasks for them. And you can see you can get started with Amazon Turk, which is a Amazon marketplace, and making easier for people to outsource the jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. You can literally go ahead and apply and make money. So with this, you can at most make like $1,000 to $2,000 a month. And those are the potential income because it's the lowest risk and there's high competition. Anyone can work as a custom service rep, and you gotta think what you got here. There's a huge amount of supply of workers, but the demand is actually huge. So Amazon doesn't need a lot of these types of workers. So the income potential will only be $1,000 to $1,000 a month. The good news is you can do this at home, which is a benefit because you can try the other methods I'm going to talk next. So another work at home job is actually doing merch by Amazon. Now you're probably thinking, what's merch by Amazon? It's pretty simple. Check this out. Like literally if you come up to here and buy cat t-shirts, right? Notice all these things pop up. These are what people are searching for on Amazon, right? So what people are doing to make money, working from home, technically as like a side hustle and side business with Amazon, is they're literally designing these t-shirts on, like, for example, some design software that you can literally do for free. And they upload it on, for example, Amazon, and these t-shirts don't actually exist. They only exist when someone goes here and buys it. When someone buys it, Amazon will literally print your design on their t-shirts, they ship it directly to the customer, they do customer service, they ship it as if it was your own Amazon FBA product. But you just get profit for it, and the crazy thing is it's free. Check this out. Merchbyamazon.com, we sell your designs as Amazon products, reaching millions of customers worldwide with no upfront investment to you. So let me just type this in. If I just type in, for example, cat t-shirts words, right? Which is a pretty simple thing. It's just words on a t-shirt about cats. You can see that people are buying these things. So look at this. Are you kidding me? Right, meow. There's people buying this, and Amazon is literally gonna ship it and print it and do everything for you when you essentially just create the design. You're probably wondering, well, how can I create design? Well, number one, sign up for Merch by Amazon. It's free. Then you go to canva.com and literally go to create design. And you can just type t-shirt, and you can see that you can actually go and design a t-shirt for free. So I can literally just take like the winning concepts and put like a template on here. Like we could go ahead and do this, and I could just do, are you kids and me, right, meow. So just like that, I have created the design for a t-shirt I could download, and I upload it to Merch by Amazon and see if I make a sale. The coolest thing is there's no risk. There's absolutely no risk. These are all free to go ahead and sign up. The fourth way to do this is literally doing it with Amazon Associates. You can really sign up for Amazon Associates and recommend any single product, and when someone goes in and buys it, you get a commission off of it. So how this works is literally like this camera that I'm recording with. So I need to ask myself what are people searching for to actually go ahead and find this camera. So I can literally do, for example, best camera for, and all these things that pop up on YouTube. I can either make a YouTube video about it, I can make a blog article, I can literally just make a video about this, or a blog like you can see on my blog. We make a bunch of blog articles about other things like eBay and Amazon, YouTube affiliate marketing and whatnot. And I could position that in terms to a point where it recommends a product. So if someone literally goes and clicks on my special link and gets it, you shall literally get it for free. If someone goes ahead and buys that product through my link because of my recommendation, I would essentially get paid for it. So this is essential how it works. So once you actually go and create an account, if I want to recommend this camera, I just go ahead and click on this link, get the show in the URL, and if anyone go to this specific link right now, I would get paid for it, right? So that's the beauty about it. I don't need my own product, I don't need my own service, and the scale of this could be even better, because then you are not trading your time for money, like what you do in these first 2 work from home jobs. Now, a really good example, someone that did this really well is, for example, thisiswhyimbroke.com, because if you notice, I literally click on any of these products, a lot of these products will actually just bring me to Amazon, right? And this is essential this is essentially what affiliate marketing is, because even if it's not in stock, if they buy anything from Amazon in a 24-hour period, this person would still get credit for it, right? Because Amazon just wants you to sell traffic to their website, and they actually make over 20 grand a month doing this as a work from home job or side hustle. So this is even more lucrative than these two, because you have, like, for example, more scale. You could see this other blog, and they also did really well. This is called by Sophia Lee. If I type in Amazon Associates, you could see that she's made about $3,700 recommended Amazon things. So literally she wrote a blog about, like, oh my god, this is the best. Like, if you look at, like, for example, if I just pull apartment, these are like the types of blogs that she has just recommends. Like, for example, like tips on what to buy for your apartment, right? Like this mattress, this cheap mattress, this like a vegetable shopper in any of these things, she's sending over to, for example, like Amazon. Like if I go to this Sophia's favorite insanely cheap mattresses, all of this she's sending over to Amazon, and all of these are literally like Amazon associate links. Does that make sense? And she gets paid for that because she recommends it, and you don't need necessarily to make a video about it. You could literally just make a blog article about it. Now the 5th way is doing the exact same thing but for kindle.directpublishing.com. And the cool thing about this is you don't need to be necessarily an expert, you just need to know more than like the next guy, right? So for example, when I type in free weight loss books on Amazon, this is what people are searching for. You can see that it's not that competitive to get in. I mean, like, you could see this only as not in reviews, right? You could still look at this 94 views, $0. Look at this one, $0, 13 fat blasting hacks. So you're probably wondering, how these people actually making money on Amazon from this work from home job? Well, number one, they create this for free by using kdp.amazon.com. You could self-publish ebooks and paperback books for free, reaching millions of readers on Amazon for free, right? And then what they do is they sign up for a ClickBank account, and they recommend, for example, products from ClickBank. Like you could even find, like, for example, the top products right now, or health supplements. You can see this. Look at these dietary supplements. And they're willing to pay you $183 per commission, right? So what this guy probably doing is literally creating a book that's only 15 pages long, where he essentially saying these are the 13 best fast blasting hacks, some of which can be products that you can recommend on ClickBank, and actually earn a huge commission for it. So if you just get one sale a day with the free method, that's nearly 5 grand a month, guys. 5 grand a month working from home from Amazon, just by leveraging, for example, ClickBank, kdp.amazon, and for example, this. Now the 6th way to make money from home with Amazon, it's one of my favorite ways, because this is literally what I did when I was a broke college student, right? And you can see this, look, this is eBay, right? And this is a bunk bed that goes for $242, but this same bunk bed exists on Walmart for lower cost, like this $199, right? So what I ended up doing was copying and pasting the picture from a Walmart over to eBay and waiting for sales. When I would make a sale, I would get not only the money, but the customer's information. Say, I got the sale, which 12 were already sold, and I get $242. I take that money, buy it from Walmart at a lower cost, and then ship directly with the customer. I pocket the difference. I would do the exact same thing with Amazon, you know? I remember I was doing this with like RV replacement, like things, like all the things that you see. I would just, like, for example, drop ship this on eBay. Another thing I did was a kids train tracks. This is another thing that, like, for example, I drop shipped a lot of. Another one that did really well was like app real roller. All the things I would just like flip from Amazon to eBay, and I would only have to buy this after I've made the sale on eBay, meaning it's like completely low risk, right? And the 7th and last way that is even better probably the best work at home job, especially the lowest risk but most paid, like commenting, this too, which is a stability of a job, which these online businesses with Amazon, which shows like the income heights, is actually going to Upwork and getting Amazon clients. Like if I just type in, for example, Amazon photography, you would be surprised how much people are making with Amazon photography. Look at this, $100 an hour as an Amazon photographer. $130 an hour as an Amazon design photographer. Over 100 grand earned, from Mexico. Amazon photographer over. Same thing with like Amazon. If I type in, for example, Amazon video, right? You could see that some of these people now look at this, 105 an hour, $70 an hour, over 400 grand. Now, you're probably wondering, how is this actually possible? Well, what you don't understand is Amazon is a marketplace where the sellers like you and me that sell products and they don't even know about, like, for example, merchbyamazon.com, which is free, right? Traditionally, what I did back in the day was I would sell, for example, grill mats, right? And how I did this is I would go to China, buy a bunch of products from China, and then try selling them onto Amazon and hoping, praying that I would, for example, go ahead and make money. But I would invest a lot of money in this, and because I was investing a lot of money in the product itself, I was willing to invest a lot of money in the pictures and in the videos. I was paying someone $4,000 to $7,000 a month to make me, like advertisements for, my Amazon FBA products. And it's because I knew that I was going to get a return on my investment. And that's exactly what people are doing here. It's like they're like, instead of getting into Amazon FBA business, they're just working for these people, right? You could work directly from Amazon, which, like, to be honest, they're going to pay you as little as possible because they don't need that much employees, because they could literally get anybody in the world to work for Amazon. I hope you liked the video.